Bubblegum codes? Bubblegum codes. Okay, let's actually check out this brand new update. The XY update. XY update in Bubblegum. Bubblegum. New... Wait, free? Free secret pets. Free secret pets. Season 7 is here. New exclusive pets in the shop. Shop bundles and Plasma Wolf Lord reward have been added into the game. This is the XY update with a brand new season. With the map change, look at the map. We get a whole different map right now. We actually get a whole different map. This is exactly where you need to go to get inside of the event. There's also a shadow shop. And you can buy elixirs. But we are not here to buy some elixirs. We're here to actually show you the new codes. There you go. Let's actually start off with redeeming all these new codes, I believe. Wait, what was this update again? How do I go back? How do I go back to the Season 6? What about Season 7? Is there a Season 7 code? Season 7? Season 7? Surely this code will work, right? Surely, guys. Surely the code will actually work. The last code did work. The last code that did actually work. So Season 6 code worked. Let's see if we can get Season 7 code. Nope. Season 7 is not a official code yet. Season 6 is a official code so far. Update 17, of course. Boom. Update 16. Update 16. Shabim. Wait, is there an update 17? Update 17, surely. Update 17? Update 18, I mean. Update 18. If you do want Robux, guys, I'm giving away Robux every single day of the week. So comment down below heart emojis. Comment a heart emoji in the comments down below if you do want yourself some Robux. I'm doing daily Robux giveaways on Please Donate. All you have to do is comment down below a heart emoji. World 3. Fishy. Fishy code. Most of these codes I've already redeemed, which is really strange. It's really strange because I did already redeem all of these codes. I am in the Discord. Rumble Studios. Let's see, Rumble Studios. We got some new sneak peeks, announcements, of course. Developer updates. Bubblegum Simulator Infinity codes. The last code was given to us on August 15, and this was the last code that the developers actually give us. Update 16. Update 16, Update 6, Update 7, 6767, Ronaldo, fire emoji. Update 8, 9, and of course 10. Update 11, and 12, and 13. So these are all the codes pretty much, which you need to redeem in Bubblegum Simulator Infinity. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Watch this video. Subscribe to the channel. Maybe in the future you're getting some new codes. That's why you're gonna be subscribed. If there's any new codes in the future, I'll be the first one to actually inform you guys about these new codes. Other than that, I hope this event is actually super overpowered and I can get myself some crazy good pets.